Good day. Today I am going to talk about multi-channel selling through Odoo. Basically, what Odoo already has to offer for multi-channel selling. We can also definitely connect with various platforms at a later time, but we will discuss that in a later video. First, let's take a look at what is possible within Odoo. Within Odoo, you already have 3 standard channels, for example, that you can manage. Of course, you can definitely simply run your own web shop where you sell all your products and where people can also check out directly and easily. It is simply a comprehensive and full-fledged website that is not inferior to a Shopify in any way and highly functional. Additionally, you can also manually and carefully enter orders into the system. When you receive orders through email or by any other means, you can input a number of orders personally into the system. And when you send these to the customer also has the option to pay for them directly online so they can be successfully processed immediately afterward without delay. Another option is the point of sale, which is a cash register module where you have all your products listed and organized. You can easily add them via a cash register in a store, and you can also easily process payments behind my head, either with cash or a card machine, which is very convenient for both the customer and the cashier. You can also choose a custom account, allowing people to pay on account, which is useful for regular customers or businesses. In this case, I will add cash and pay. We can then email this receipt to the customer, and we are done with the transaction. In the next video, we will discuss what we can do to connect with other channels such as bol.com and Amazon, which are popular online marketplaces that can help expand your business reach and provide more opportunities for sales. There are so many various channels you can connect with where you need to receive orders and then report back that they have been shipped, along with handling the financial settlement and different aspects. That is also very important. Personally, I know bol.com is not the easiest for financial settlement. More on that later.